You kids learn. Subscribe. Community helpers. Name the person who protect us from thieves. Yeah, it's right. Policeman. Who perform checkups and provide medicines to treat diseases. Yeah, it's right, doctor. Name the person who help us to learn in school. Yeah, it's right, teacher. A person who has served in army and protect their country. Yeah, it's right, soldier. Name a person who owns or manages a farm. Yeah, it's right, farmer. Name a person who makes things out of wood. Yeah, it's right, carpenter. Whose job is to decide how criminals should be punished in court. Yeah, it's right, judge. Name a man whose job is to collect and deliver letters and parcels. Yeah, it's right, postman. Who cooks food as their job and they work in restaurants. Yeah, it's right, chef. Name a person who drives a vehicle. Yeah, it's right, driver. Name a person who controls the flight of an aircraft. Yeah, it's right, pilot. Thanks for watching.